Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create Word document in mobile. So if you want to create a Microsoft Word blank document, you can do it on mobile. So all you have to do, you can download the mobile version of Microsoft Word. Here we go, Microsoft Word edit documents. Here you can download and install. You can create, and of course you can edit your document. Use this Microsoft Word mobile version. After you download and install, you can try to open. Here we go. Don't forget to create a Microsoft account in order to enjoy all the service. Here, in order to create new document, you can tap plus at the top of your screen and tap on blank document. Here we go, you can write something here in the new document of Microsoft Word. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.